Hi, my name is Nadya Lutz, and I'm still talking about cranial nerve 10. I have a lot to say about it. So you may notice from your vital scan that cranial nerve 10 was out, or if you're feeling anxious or stressed, chances are we need to upregulate cranial nerve 10. You can also check your comprehensive reports. If you haven't had a scan yet, go ahead and tag below and we can get you a free scan. If someone tagged you here, then ask them. If not, I'll go ahead and give you a scan so you can get all this information. So what we're going to talk about, the cranial nerve goes behind your throat and attaches to all your organs. Okay. So simply tapping on your sternum can really help regulate cranial nerve 10. And we also, in the first couple of videos, talked about humming and we talked about gargling. So you could listen to your inner voice, right? With the balancing octaves, possibly the balancing color, tap and hum while I'm listening to my inner voice music. It can just take your central nervous system and just downregulate it immediately. Great to do if you know anyone having anxiety attacks, panic attacks, or they're just feeling kind of out of their body. This is a really nice thing to do. If you know anyone that needs a scan, go ahead and drop a note below and we can help get them regulated and out of that fight or flight system. Have a great day.